How to get $100 Kroger promo code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $100 Kroger promo code. Kroger is one of the largest and most recognized supermarket chains in US. Now you're looking for a Kroger $100 promo code, you need to visit different coupon websites. For example, Realme Note, Groupon, or Coupon Chief. Here I'm going with Coupon Chief. First of all, open any web browser on your device. I have launched my Chrome browser here. And now once in the browser, tap on the search bar at the top and there type in the official website of Coupon Chief, that is couponchief.com. Once I've entered this keyword, now press the go button at the bottom right of this keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coupon Chief. Once you reach this interface, you're in the search bar, you need to tap on it and search for Kroger. Type in Kroger there and search for it. Now you will be presented with a list of available Kroger coupons, deals, and promo codes. You need to look through the list to see if there is any active promo codes or offers. Also note that you may not be able to get exact $100 Kroger promo code here, but you can check the description of these coupon codes to see if any one of them mentions $100 promo code or significant discounts. You need to check the description of each coupon for details such as discount amount, minimum purchase requirements, and expiration date. Make sure to choose those one that has not been expired yet. Now here, if you find a coupon that offers a significant discount or savings, you need to tap on Get Deal or Get Promo Code button. Once you tap on it, a pop-up window will appear revealing the promo code. Here you need to tap and hold the promo code and tap on this copy button in order to copy it to your clipboard. Now once the promo code has been copied, you can tap on this Kroger.com and visit the Kroger website and add items to your cart. And during checkout, paste the copied promo code in the designated promo code box to apply the discount. And then you will be able to redeem the promo code. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $100 Kroger promo code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.